What's up guys, today's video's on the top 5 best hiking shoes 2022 that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research. If you would like to see more details on these products and the updated prices, please check out the description below and be sure to subscribe to get more reviews. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 5. If you're looking for a waterproof shoe that's comfortable in even the harshest trail conditions when backpacking, the Spire GTX is an optimal choice. Waterproof shoes tend to have poor breathability, but this shoe impressed our analysts with its unique design, which is specifically engineered for maximum air circulation. It uses unique nano-sized air ventilation channels within the foot and midsole to wick away excess moisture from the foot to the mesh panels. Plus, La Sportiva incorporates their distinct impact brake system at the heel using slanted lugs on the Vibram outsole to improve braking and grip for a protective, stable shoe. Online reviewers also appreciated the plush interior and said the shoe didn't need much breaking in. Number 4. Is known for its comfortable hiking boots, sandals and shoes, and our testers agree, giving its shoes and boots high scores in comfort and fit due to the wide front for ample toe wiggling room. The Terx checks all the boxes for a long-lasting protective shoe with its tough leather construction, durable toe cap, and excellent traction for both technical and non-technical trails. Plus, it's a great choice for those multi-day journeys, delivering long-term support and comfort with good cushioning and a spacious toe box. And don't let a soggy trail deter you. The Terx was a top performer in our last mud resistance test. Just note that this shoe is a bit heavier than others on our list for those looking for lightweight options for the summer. Number 3. The Moab 2 from Merrell is one of the most popular and well-known hiking shoes available. It's durable and has excellent arch support without being too clunky to maneuver in. Testers said that these shoes were soft and flexible with ample cushioning and padding, with one raving when I first put them on I didn't want to take them off. Online reviewers also agree, with one reviewer noting, they're lightweight enough not to fatigue my legs, but they are sturdy and easily handle rough terrain and rocks. Plus, the toe box has ample room for those with wider feet and the Vibram outsole offers traction for all types of terrain. The mesh panels also offer optimal ventilation year-round. Number 2. Adidas's Terx line is a favorite among our textile analysts for its top-performing footwear and sleek designs. And if you're looking for a simple, lightweight and comfortable shoe for easy hiking in the summer, this nimble pick checks all of the boxes. With a comfortable fit and soft midsole, the cushioned material between your foot and the bottom of the shoe, online reviewers are raving about how these shoes don't need a break-in period and can handle concrete and hard terrain with ease, thanks to the durable rubber toe cap. Our experts especially love the impressive traction from the outsole and appreciate the great quality offered by these shoes at an affordable price point, as the X3 uses some of the same materials found in more expensive models from the same line. The only caveat is that these shoes are better suited for those going on shorter or less demanding treks instead of backpacking or multi-day adventures, as they aren't as protective or durable as other picks on our list. Number 1. With the comfort of a trail runner and the performance of a traditional hiking shoe, this shoe from Salomon checks all the boxes for the hiker searching for functionality without being too heavy. It earned the highest score for cushioning in our tests and consistently excelled on multiple types of terrain. Testers and online reviewers alike love the flexibility of the shoe and the impressive traction offered by the outsole, with testers raving about how stable the shoe felt. Our experts also appreciate its stability and protective features, which make this pair a great contender for treks involving steep climbs or descents. Lightweight shoes, like trail runners, typically compromise on durability, but this pick maintains the protection provided by a traditional hiking shoe with its substantial toe cap and strong synthetic leather upper, making it a good choice for technical trails, backpacking or day hikes. Plus, it's available in a waterproof version for those hiking in snow or crossing streams. Just keep in mind that our evaluations found that the toe box runs narrow, so those with wider feet should opt for wide sizes. thinner socks, or take a look at the X Ultra 4 for a roomier toe box with a sleeker look. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.